hibiscus, sorrel, sobolo, zobo. Agua de Jamaica, the value is the same. How to prepare it? First, you will need your ginger, cloves, and another cloves brother called huintia in Ghana language. We are going to prepare 1.5 liter of Sobolo or hibiscus tea. First, we are going to boil our 1.5 liter of water. Then we are going to grind the ginger, huintia, cloves together. You will need cinnamon stick too. First, we are going to measure 10 teaspoons of sorrel or hibiscus. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then, after the water has been boiled, put it aside, remove it from the fire. Wash your sorrel or hibiscus tea well, especially if you don't trust the source where it is coming from. Then rinse it and put it inside the boiled water. Add your mashed ginger, cloves, and huintia into it. If you don't have the huintia, don't worry. After that, leave it for, let it stay for about 30 minutes or 1 hour or 2 hours. The more patiently you wait for it, the more the thing comes there inside well. Patience has its own way of rewarding, so be patient with it for 2 hours and you will love it. So after that, you can add brown sugar or honey. The choice is yours. If you are using it for business, you cannot use brown sugar. Then, the sugar is not coming. I had to use the funnel to spread it before the input. So after that, I'm going to taste and see after my prayers. Wow. It tastes good. Oh. You can drink it cold or the or warm. Thank you for watching Safo Bafo TV. Please subscribe, like, and comment.